Hello, welcome to 1139 Bear Springs Road in the Rimforest neighborhood of Lake Arrowhead, California. This 1928 charmer has been here, well, since 1928. It has been beautifully remodeled and redone. What a story. I can't wait to share it with you. Come on inside, let's take a look. Before I take you on a tour of the home, let me share a couple details with you about it so that you'll understand how very special this home is. Originally built in 1928, it is one of the oldest standing structures still in existence in the area. It has been remodeled and updated. As we go through, it might remind you of a little project known as Fix My Flip on HGTV, hosted by Paige Turner. This is the house that was the series premiere, Season 1, Episode 1. If you want all the details about what the crew from HGTV did to help the people who were trying to fix this flip, be sure to check it out. It is still playing on HGTV, and you will be stunned by the before and now what is our after. What we have now here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. The floor plan is awesome because there is a bedroom and a bath on each level. Downstairs, when we go downstairs, I'm going to give you a couple suggestions about how to use it for some potential changes. It's going to be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and start. Obviously, we have walked in to the main great room area. This open concept didn't exist once upon a time pre-HGTV coming in. Imagine this all boxy and kind of dark and dreary. No longer. It is light, it is bright, it is sleek, it is colorful without being overbearing. I just love the high vaulted beam ceilings and the open concept and the great lighting that comes through. What we have is the vinyl plank flooring that looks and works like wood floors. This cute little built-in bench. I think this would make a really great reading nook or maybe a little breakfast nook. But the cool thing about it is that we have such versatility in the floor plan that over here we actually have set up a full-size dining area as well, nice and comfortable. I want to show you the kitchen because to me, the kitchen is always the heart of the home. And this kitchen, I gotta tell you, is special. It was knocked out of the park. For a kitchen that is admittedly small space, it has been laid out beautifully. First of all, we have new cabinets, new countertops, new stainless steel appliances. By the way, in terms of new things for this house, we've got new windows, we've got plumbing, we've got replaced electrical, replaced heating. This house, even though it was built in 1928, lives pretty much like new while still having that old school charm to it. But back to the kitchen. I love this open island area. It is a breakfast bar on the other side for additional seating. All of the cabinetry, as I mentioned before, is new. It is on soft close and soft hinge doors. You have laid out your stainless steel dishwasher, your stainless steel gas stove, and then, oh wait, we're missing something. That would be the refrigerator. No, this is so cool. The refrigerator in the kitchen is a side-by-side under cabinet refrigerator freezer setup. And each one can be set individually for its temperature. So even though it's not a conventional, side-by-side big refrigerator taking up room, this is so sleek and so modern and so well designed. I just love it. As we come this way, I want to show you another great improvement to this property that was done. And that was that once upon a time, this was a mudroom / pantry. There is an exit through here that goes out to the side yard, but it has now been restored fully to a nicely sized stackable laundry room. So you do have indoor laundry in this property now as well. Before we leave the living area and move into the main level bedroom, I just want to point out this amazing fireplace. It dates back to 1928. It is original, and the original hardware was refurbished and restored. It is a working wood-burning fireplace, great for cozy evenings up here on the mountain, especially as we turn into the fall season and then the snow starts coming down in the wintertime. Fabulous, fabulous ambiance. Over here, we have the main level bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and let you walk through and take a look at it. The main level bedroom has been accented by built-in side tables that were actually made out of wood rounds that were found here on the property. And then we have a very large, very deep walk-in closet. Before I take you downstairs, I thought I would show you one of the many outdoor spaces. We have a beautiful outdoor deck directly here off of the living room. We're surrounded by very tall, very old cedar trees, and as you can tell, the ambiance here is just fantastic. It's very peaceful and it's very quiet. Okay, are you ready to see the downstairs? We'll just go ahead and close this up and secure it, and off we go. Go ahead, please. The downstairs is your second bedroom suite. It's currently being used as an overflow living area. It has a barn door covered walk-in closet. It has a bathroom. It has a very interesting feature to it because once upon a time, there was a kitchenette here. So there's plumbing in this wall if you wanted to put a kitchenette back in. And because this door leads outside to a separate patio area, I think about this area as if you wanted to, maybe think about putting that kitchenette back in and put this back together as a dual purpose space. Not a bad idea. Take a look at the bathroom here. In fact, I'm going to do something as I show you this house that I did for HGTV, and it didn't make the cut, but take a look at this. This is really great. This used to be a full-size bathroom with a dinky little bathtub. HGTV came in and redid it. Take a look at the acreage space in this shower. It is so big. This custom waterfall tile work was done as part of the renovation by HGTV, and I just love the color and the design work. Those of you who watch the HGTV show, you know I'm not a real fan of the peach walls in here, but you know what? Paint is inexpensive, so go ahead and think about painting these walls a more neutral color, but don't do anything with the tile because that tile is primo. Let's go ahead and take a look out here. Go ahead and take a walk out into the downstairs patio area. So as you see, we have a separate downstairs patio area. It is underneath the deck that was off of the living room upstairs. Once again, if you think about using this as a repurposed secondary space, you've got a separate entrance. And what's cool is that as we walk this way, you're going to see that it connects directly to the parking and to the front of the house as well. So the layout and the design to use this property is just streamlined, easy piece of cake. I'm going to say that the parking is easily 2 cars. Depending on the size, you might get 3, but think about this as nice level parking for 2 cars. And then we're back at the front door. See how great the design is? Very sleek, very easy, very well thought out. A couple other features to consider is that you do have this additional deck space here. And then we do have front yard space and a small side yard over this way. Come on back inside. Let's go back into the living room. And voila, we are back to where we started. Oh, but I almost forgot, there is one more thing. Over here to your side is a 3/4 bath, so it's a shower bath. Really cute. So once again, you've got a bedroom and a bathroom on each level, open concept, multiple decks, great outside yard space. You can use it as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. You could maybe make some changes downstairs and turn it into a dual living area. The possibilities here are endless, and it's because of that style and that architecture going back to the 1928 time period. Honestly, that architecture was fantastic. And the fact that we're still here today, almost 100 years later, says a lot for the ingenuity and the design capability of, well, almost 100-year-old, almost historic property. So you might be thinking, Theresa, this isn't quite the house for me, or even better yet, you are thinking, this is the house for me. So if you would like to see this house in person or any others up here on the mountain, be sure to reach out to me and to my team. Our contact information is flashing on the screen down below right now. And as usual, I'm going to ask you, if you're new to our channel or if you've got someone who needs to see this video, be sure to do a couple things. Subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications, share this video out to your friends, and as always, we would love to hear from you. So if you have any questions about this home, or comments or questions about the area, real estate at large, go ahead, leave them down below. We do read the comments and we do answer them religiously. Thank you so much for joining me today at 1139 Bear Springs Road. I'm Theresa Grant, your local realtor. Bye for now.